Welcome to Forex Mentor Weekly Forex Forecast. So before we start the analysis, kindly like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for the motivation. So let's start. So this is the Euro USD chart. So as I told you last week that the price is respecting this trend line, and I told you that the price may test this trend line before go downwards. So price was moving as expected. I'm still bearish in a Euro USD because the price was moving as I expected. So my still overview about the Euro USD is downside down move. So this is the GBPUSD chart, Pound USD. So last week I told you that the price may test this level before go up, but price was moving without hitting our target and go up sharply. So what will be the next move? The next move of Pound USD is still I see some bearish moves because the recent breakout of a trend, the price may test this level or this trend line before go upwards. So all my view about the Pound USD is upside up move, but I'm waiting for a pullback before go upward. Why am my overall perspective about the Pound USD is changed? Because price was moving from a buyer's zone. So this is the buyer's zone area and price was moving rapidly and impulsively. So in a downtrend, if you see some buyers, strong buyers, so stop selling, looking for a buying opportunity. That's why I told you last week, if price hit this level before go upward. So price was moving without hitting this level. So I am waiting for some price action before taking some long entries. So now my overall view about the Pound USD is upside up movement. So this is the USD yen. As I told you last week that I am neutral about the USD yen. I am waiting for a breakout to take some long positions with my target over here. But last week price was break this level, but immediately price moved back to the same zone which I told you last week. So what will be the next move of USD yen? So the next move of USD yen, price may test these levels before go upwards. So I'm looking for some long positions, but before you take any long positions over these areas, always wait for the price action confirmation before take any long. So all my view about the USD yen is upside up move with a target over here. So this is the Kiwi USD. As I told you last week that the price may create or hit this trend line before go downwards, but price break this trend line and go further upwards. So what will be the next move of Kiwi USD? I am still looking for a short positions of a Kiwi USD because price is still moving in a range and the buyers are not very strong over this ranging market. So before we take some short trades, I will see some price action rejections candle over these areas. The price was rejected before. So my overall view about the Kiwi USD is still downside down move with these targets. So price may hit this level or break this level to trap retail traders before go down. So all my view about the GBPUSD is still downside down move. So this is the Aussie New Zealand chart. So as I told you last week that price may hit these levels before go upwards, and the price was moving as expected. So now what will be the next move? And I also told you last week that if you have any system to take this short trade with a target of this area, but I was not interested in a short position. I was looking for a long position for a longer time. So as I told you last week that I am looking a long position over this area, and the price was moving as expected. So what will be the next move? Price is still not good for a long, so I am waiting for a confirmation over these areas before I take any long position. If you see the chart, that the price is still in a range. If you see a long chart, you see price is still in a range. So that's why I'm looking a long position, not a short position. So what my view about the Aussie New Zealand? I'm still looking for a long position for a longer time. So take long position, avoid short positions. This is my overall analysis about the Aussie New Zealand. So now let's jump to the another chart. So this is the USDCAD chart, and price is still in a range. So I told you last week that I am waiting for a breakout for this range, but price hit this level and created some rejection over here and moved back to the same area. So what are my opinions about the USDCAD? So my opinion about the USDCAD is still upside up move. Why I am looking for a long trade of the USDCAD? Because the many scientists are expecting the second wave of the coronavirus will hit very soon, and we see if we see another lockdown in many countries, then the price of oil might fall. So if the price of oil might fall, then we might see some upward moves again in the USDCAD. That's why I'm looking for a long position, not a short position, and the price is still in a range, which is also a good sign for a long position, and also a strong buyer's zone over here. So all my view about the USDCAD is still upside up move. So this is the Aussie USD. So if you see this chart, that the price is also moving in a range, but after this sharp selling area, we get some buyers over here, but immediately the price moved downwards, and now the buyers are pushing to price upward to trap the retail traders. So what will be the next move of Aussie USD? The next move of Aussie USD, price might hit this level again before go down. So all my view about the Aussie USD is downside down move with a target over here. So this is the GBP yen, pound yen. Why I am interested in this pair? Because the price is moving with respecting this trend line which I draw, and if you see over a chart that we are in a buyer's interesting zone, and another confirmation is this candle, this bullish engulfing candle you see over here. After a downward move, we suddenly see some strong buyers over this trend line which I draw. So what will be the next move of GBP yen? So let's jump to the lower time frame. So this is the lower time frame of GBP yen. So if you see here, after a beautiful downtrend, some strong buyers are going to buy from these areas. These are the buyer interesting zones. So what will be the next move of GBP yen? The next move of GBP yen, that price may hit this level or break this trend line to create some fake out before go upwards. So I am looking for a long positions, but with a good price action reversal signs. So all my view about the GBP yen is upside up move, and these are my targets. So this is my overall analysis about GBP yen. Thank you. I'm Forex Mentor signing off.